We put 10 pistols through absolute hell, 500 rounds, no cleaning, no mercy, dirt, dust, heat, and back-to-back mag dumps. Most guns tap out long before this, but these, they didn't even flinch. Today we find out which pistols are truly built to last, and which one walked away completely flawless. Number 10, Taurus G3, the budget warrior that couldn't keep up. Coming in at number 10, we have the Taurus G3. Now listen, before anyone gets upset, we want to be fair here. The Taurus G3 is one of the most affordable pistols on the market today, and for a lot of people, it is their first handgun. It comes loaded with features: striker-fired system, polymer frame, loaded chamber indicator, and a grip that actually feels pretty decent in the hand. On paper, this thing looks like a steal for the price, and in normal range conditions, it actually performs reasonably well. But here is the thing, we are not doing normal range conditions today. We are pushing these guns to their absolute limit, 1500 rounds, no cleaning, dirt, dust, and heat. And that is where the Taurus G3 started showing its true colors. We hit our first malfunction at round 45, a failure to feed. Then again at round 98, a stovepipe jam that required a tap rack to clear. And the third malfunction came at round 134. 3 failures in 150 rounds tells us one thing: budget price ultimately means budget reliability. Sorry Taurus fans, but the numbers do not lie. Number 9, Beretta 92FS, Hollywood's favorite couldn't handle the real world. At number 9, we have the Beretta 92FS, arguably the most iconic pistol ever made. This gun has been in more action movies than any other firearm on the planet. John McClane carried it. Martin Riggs carried it. The United States military carried it as the M9 for decades. So walking into this test, the Beretta 92FS had one of the biggest reputations in the entire lineup. And honestly, we wanted it to do well. The design is beautiful. Open slide, double action, single action trigger, all metal frame, and that classic Italian craftsmanship. It feels amazing in the hand and looks even better on camera. But here is where things went sideways. Round 67 gave us our first failure to eject, a stovepipe that jammed right in the ejection port. We cleared it and kept going. Then round 112 hit us with another malfunction, this time a failure to feed. 2 malfunctions in 150 rounds under dirty conditions is not acceptable for a pistol with this kind of legacy and price point. The Beretta 92FS is a beautiful gun, but beauty does not clear malfunctions. It exits the competition at number 9. Number 8, Walther PPQ, the best trigger in the game, but reliability took a hit. Number 8 goes to the Walther PPQ. Now here is a gun that has a cult following for one specific reason: the trigger. Shooters absolutely obsess over the Walther PPQ trigger, and honestly, they are not wrong. It is one of the best factory triggers ever installed on a production pistol. The reset is incredibly short, the break is crisp and clean, and follow-up shots feel absolute effortless. The PPQ also has a fantastic ergonomic grip, great sights, and German engineering behind every single component. Under normal circumstances, this is a top 5 pistol without question. But we are not in normal circumstances, are we? At round 104, we experienced a failure to feed. The round simply did not chamber properly, and the slide locked back unexpectedly. One malfunction in 150 rounds is not catastrophic. But when you are competing against pistols that posted 0 malfunctions, it matters. The PPQ still passed our test technically, but that single failure under stress conditions is enough to land it at number 8. If you want the best trigger money can buy, get the PPQ. If you want 0 failures under extreme conditions, keep watching. Number 7, Sig Sauer P320, the military chose it, but one hiccup costs it. Number 7. We have the Sig Sauer P320. This is the pistol the United States Army selected over every other competitor to become the official M17 service pistol. Think about that for a second. Out of every handgun available on the planet, the US military picked the P320. That is not a small endorsement. The P320 features a modular design that allows you to swap frames, calibers, and slide sizes, making it one of the most versatile pistols ever made. The trigger is smooth, the sights are excellent, and the build quality is absolutely premium. Walking into this test, the P320 was one of our top favorites to take the number 1 spot, and for 88 rounds it looked like it might actually do it. Flawless cycling, perfect feeding, 0 issues whatsoever. Then round 89 happened. A stovepipe jam, spent casing caught right in the ejection port. We cleared it quickly, and the remaining 61 rounds ran perfectly. 1 malfunction, that is it. In real world terms, 1 jam in 150 rounds is still very impressive. But in our competition against zero malfunction machines, the P320 lands at number 7. Still an elite pistol, still military approved, just not our champion today. Number 6, Springfield Armory XD, the dark horse nobody saw coming. Number 6 is the Springfield Armory XD, and this one genuinely surprised us. Let us be honest, walking into this test, the XD was not on anyone's radar as a top performer. It flies under the radar compared to the big name brands, and a lot of shooters overlook it completely. The XD is actually Croatian made, manufactured by HS Product, and imported and marketed by Springfield Armory for the American market. It features a grip safety like a 1911, a loaded chamber indicator, and a striker status indicator, giving it more passive safety features than almost any other pistol in this test. The ergonomics are solid, the trigger is consistent, and it handles recoil remarkably well for a mid-size pistol. But the real story here is what happened during the test: absolutely nothing. Zero malfunctions across all 150 rounds. Every single round fed, fired, and ejected exactly as it should have. No hesitation, no jams, no drama whatsoever. The XD proved that you do not need to be the most famous name in the room to be one of the most reliable. It lands at number 6 only because the pistols ahead of it bring additional advantages in engineering and global reputation. But reliability-wise, the XD held its own completely. Number 5, Smith & Wesson M&P 9. America's workhorse earns its reputation at number 5. We have the Smith & Wesson M&P 9, and this pistol is about as American as it gets. M&P stands for military and police, and that name is not just branding. This gun is literally trusted by law enforcement agencies across the entire United States. It is carried daily by officers who depend on it when their lives are on the line. That kind of real-world trust is hard to fake. The M&P 9 features an aggressive grip texture, interchangeable palm swells for different hand sizes, an external thumb safety option, and an overall design that feels purpose-built for serious use. It is not the flashiest pistol in this lineup. It is not trying to win any beauty contests. It is built to work, period. And work is exactly what it did. 150 rounds through dirty, unlubricated conditions, zero malfunctions, not a single hiccup. Every mag dumped cleanly, every round cycled perfectly. Every casing ejected right where it was supposed to. The M&P 9 is proof that American manufacturing can absolutely compete with European precision. It sits at number 5 not because it failed in any way, but because the 4 pistols above it represent the absolute elite tier of handgun reliability. A flawless performance deserves serious respect. Number 4, CZ75, built in 1975, still beating modern pistols in 2024. Number 4 belongs to the CZ75, and honestly, this result should humble every modern pistol manufacturer out there. This design was created in Czechoslovakia back in 1975, nearly 50 years ago, and it is still standing toe-to-toe with the best modern pistols available today. That is not nostalgia talking. That is engineering excellence that has stood the test of time in the most literal sense possible. The CZ75 features an all-steel frame, which gives it a completely different feel compared to the polymer-framed guns in this test. It is heavier, yes, but that weight translates directly into reduced felt recoil and exceptional stability during rapid-fire strings. The double-action, single-action trigger system is smooth and predictable, and the ergonomics feel like the gun was designed specifically for your hand. During our 150-round test, the CZ75 posted a perfect score. Zero malfunctions from start to finish. The steel frame soaked up the heat from sustained fire without any issues, and the feeding and ejection remained consistently flawless throughout. This pistol is living proof that great design does not need constant reinvention. The CZ75 at number 4 is not a consolation prize. It is a genuine achievement for a design that has outlasted countless competitors across 5 decades. Number 3, HKVP9, no compromise. And they mean it, the bronze medal goes to the HKVP9, and Heckler and Koch fans already knew this was coming. HK's famous motto is no compromise, and the VP9 is the living definition of that philosophy. Everything about this pistol communicates precision, from the paddle magazine release, to the charging supports on the rear of the slide, to the incredibly refined striker fired trigger that rivals even the Walther PPQ we talked about earlier. German engineering runs deep in every single component of this pistol. The VP9 features an ergonomic grip with interchangeable back straps and side panels, allowing shooters to truly customize the fit to their specific hand. The sights are excellent from the factory. The slide serrations provide a confident grip even with wet or dirty hands, and the overall build quality feels like it was machined to tolerances that other manufacturers simply do not bother with. In our 150-round torture test, the VP9 delivered a flawless zero malfunction performance without even appearing to break a sweat. Hot conditions, dirty chambers, rapid-fire strings, none of it bothered the VP9 even slightly. It lands at number 3 because the two pistols ahead of it carry a legacy and global deployment record that is nearly impossible to beat. But as a pure engineering achievement, the HK VP9 is extraordinary. Number 2, Glock 17, the original reliability king at number 2, we have the pistol that essentially invented the modern concept of handgun reliability, the Glock 17. When Gaston Glock introduced this pistol in the early 1980s, the firearms industry laughed at him. A plastic gun? Impossible. Unreliable. A gimmick. But those critics went silent very quickly when the Glock 17 started passing military and law enforcement torture tests that traditional metal pistols were failing. Today, the Glock 17 is carried by police and military forces in over 50 countries worldwide. It is the gold standard by which every other polymer-framed pistol is measured. The design is obsessively simple. Fewer moving parts means fewer things that can go wrong. The safe action trigger system, the Tenifer-coated steel slide, the polymer frame that absorbs impact and resists corrosion. Every single design decision was made with one goal in mind: absolute reliability. In our test, the Glock 17 performed exactly as its 4-decade reputation promised: 150 rounds, zero malfunctions, zero drama. It did not care about the dirt. It did not care about the heat. It simply cycled every single round with mechanical perfection. The only reason the Glock 17 sits at number 2 today is because its smaller sibling walked in and stole the crown. Number 1, Glock 19, the most reliable pistol on planet Earth. And here we are. Number 1, the champion, the pistol that walked through 500 rounds of punishment across this entire competition and never once asked for mercy, the Glock 19. If the Glock 17 is the gold standard, then the Glock 19 is the gold standard made even better. It takes everything that makes the 17 legendary and packages it into a compact frame that can be concealed, carried comfortably all day, and still perform at a full-size pistol level when the moment demands it. This is why the Glock 19 is consistently ranked as the single most popular handgun in America. Law enforcement carries it as a backup. Special Forces operators carry it on missions. Everyday civilians carry it for personal protection. Everyone has figured out what our test confirmed today. There is simply nothing more reliable on the market. In our 150-round segment, the Glock 19 posted a perfect zero malfunction score under the harshest conditions we could create. But more importantly, across this entire 500-round competition, the Glock 19 represented everything a defensive pistol needs to be: compact enough to carry, powerful enough to matter, and reliable enough that you never have to think twice when your life depends on it. That is why it sits at number 1, undisputed, undefeated. The Glock 19 is the greatest carry pistol ever made. And that right there, ladies and gentlemen, is what 500 rounds of pure punishment looks like. We started this test with 10 pistols, full of confidence, full of reputation, and full of manufacturer promises. But at the end of the day, promises do not mean anything when the dirt is piling up, the heat is building, and the rounds just keep coming. Only the truly built ones survive a test like this.